Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press on the current watch face, press and hold on it to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find the one you like, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces will have this edit button under them. You can tap on it, and here you can, for example, change the complication or widget on it, basically the info that it displays. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to confirm and apply the changes with the watch face. Another way to change the watch face is to use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab it and let me zoom out the camera a bit. Okay, so on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zepp application, and in the app you will be able to tap on device, and here you should see your T-Rex 3 Pro, and under it there will be watch faces category. You can tap on this arrow right here to open it, and here we have basically watch face store, so you can download additional watch faces if you want to by simply tapping on one, tapping on sync. It will be downloaded and synced to your watch. Like this. And you can also change the watch faces from the list, basically of the local watch faces already synced or installed on your watch. To do that, you need to tap on the mine category right here at the top of the store. And here we have my AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro. And you have a list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can tap on one you like. You can then, or rather it will be automatically applied if you select the watch face. My bad. As you can see, just tap on it and it will be applied on your watch. You can also remove the watch faces by tapping on delete, selecting the watch face you want to remove, tap on delete, tap on OK. This is useful in case if you run out of the space on your watch and you need to remove something to install a different, for example, different watch face. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.